Description: CMW2510 T10 Wedge Base T10 HP3 LED 5. 1. LED miniature lamp. Suitable for car and truck LED lighting, including vehicle rear lights, position lights, reading lights, and side lights. Designed with the T10 Wedge Base and HP3 LED 5, ensuring compatibility with various vehicle and industrial lighting applications. 2. High compatibility and non-polarity design. The CMW2510 LED bulb features a T10 Wedge Base, designed to be non-polar for 12 volts, 24 volts DC applications, but allows for easy installation regardless of polarity, making it a versatile solution for multiple lighting systems. 3. Multiple applications. Ideal for signal lights, corner lights, industrial equipment, elevator controls, aircraft entry and instrument lighting, warning lights, in-truck license plate lights. Also applicable for industrial bulbs, instrument bulbs, and indicator bulbs. 4. High power and efficiency. Equipped with 5 high-quality SMD5050 LEDs, providing superior brightness and stability. Power consumption 0.96 W per bulb, ensuring low energy consumption and stable performance. Luminous flux. White light up to 120 lm for enhanced visibility. Amber light, manufactured with PC amber material, achieving double the luminous efficiency, reaching up to 9 lm. 5. Wide voltage input 10 to 30 volts design. Supports 10 to 30 volts AC, DC, ensuring stable and reliable operation across various vehicle and industrial applications. The wide voltage design allows the bulb to adapt to fluctuating voltage conditions, enhancing durability and system compatibility. 6. Long service life and durability. Service life of 50,000 hours, significantly reducing maintenance and replacement costs. Manufactured using high-temperature solder paste and rubber welding technology, ensuring stable performance and long-lasting quality. 7. Voltage precautions. Before use, ensure the power supply voltage matches the LED bulb's design voltage to prevent damage or burnout. Each LED bulb has a voltage value marked on the base for easy reference. 8. Easy installation. Compact size L25mm x W10mm, ensuring compatibility with Wedge T10 socket applications. Please carefully check the bulb size and use a manual before purchasing, or contact us for assistance.